your Amazon account is at risk. One Amazon seller came to us with this exact problem. His business verification was blocked. His account was frozen and payout were paused. This is a common problem across sellers and it can happen for several reasons. Now, if you're watching this right now and you are in the same situation, don't panic. I am going to walk you through exactly how we fix the issue and you can do the same thing. So here is what happened. This seller was trying to verify business address on Amazon. Now Amazon gives 3 attempts to verify address using a postcard they sent to their business location. Pretty straightforward, right? But here is the thing. All 3 attempts failed. And when that happens, Amazon blocked the entire verification process. In that situation, you can't try again because you are basically stuck. In this case, the seller never even received the verification postcard. UPS couldn't deliver it because of the delivery restriction in his area. So the postcard-based verification, completely unavailable for him. And because the business address wasn't verified, Amazon deactivated his account. Just like that. No sales, no income, nothing. Now, if you're in this situation, here is exactly what you need to do. First, go to your account health section and contact Amazon seller support. Tell them your business verification is blocked and you need it unblocked so you can complete this verification process. When this seller reached out, Amazon seller support told him they couldn't use the postcard method because of the delivery restrictions. But, and this is important, they gave him an alternative. They asked for a utility bill or a government-issued text document that clearly shows the business address. This is the workaround when the postcard method doesn't work. So the seller grabbed his utility bill, made sure it clearly showed his business address and sent it via email to this address. Amazon reviewed the documents, verified the business address and boom, account reactivated. That's it. That's how the problem was solved. Now this is one of the problems. There are several others like order defect rate, late shipment rate, customer compliance, policy violation. Let me show you. In this account, you see the at-risk notification from Amazon. Let me check why it is there. So to do that, click on the hamburger menu and go to the performance. Now click account health. Now here you can see the notification says that your account is at risk. Alright, if I scroll down, here lies all the issues. And we notice that this is a policy violation. The seller violated the policy. To be very specific, Amazon actually suspected that this one is an intellectual property violation. So intellectual property violations are the tier 1 issues on Amazon. One wrong response and Amazon doesn't warn you twice. They suspend first, ask question later. You can click on either this one or you can simply click on this one. Go to variations. Now in this section, we can know a lot of things about the violation. You can see the reason. Like here, this one is a trademark fix issues violation. You can see what action Amazon has taken. They sent a warning. Next, account health rating impact. It is critical for these issues. And lastly, you see what are the next steps. You see view appeal here because we already submitted an appeal. Otherwise, here you will see a submit appeal button. Now, if I click on this, alright, this one is the first email we sent to resolve the problem. Amazon reviewed it and gave a reply. Said that they did not find enough information, so the account remains at risk of deactivation. Anyway, to fix this, we sent another mail to them with proper information and are waiting for the feedback. Now, here is another one that one of the sellers gave us to solve. Same notification, same fare, but this time the issue is different. This one is a food and safety issue. Now, let me check what happens. Alright, you can see that the listing is at risk for removal, but this type of issues will not impact on your account health. This also need to fix. If I click on submit, here you can see 2 options, verify your product, or if you believe your product doesn't require verification, go to appeal request. Remember, not all Amazon issues are equal. Some issues are tier 1 like intellectual property violation. These directly threaten your account health. Other issues like food and safety, listing compliance, or missing documents may put a listing at risk but not your entire account. As long as you act fast and follow the correct steps. The real danger is not the violation itself. The real danger is ignoring the notification or submit a rushed, emotional, copy-paste appeal. The key is knowing how to communicate with Amazon and knowing what alternative options are available when the standard process doesn't work. If you're dealing with the same issues, follow these steps that I just showed you right now. And if you need more help with Amazon account issues, drop a comment below, or you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We are here to help you keep your business running. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.